thank you for watching me. Anna Vanilla is here with another video for you. Yes, I didn't do many videos lately because I've been a bit busy, I've been ill, I wasn't feeling good, and so what I did do, which I always do, I have a hobby, and you know all, I love to craft, I love to knit, and I've done a pair of socks for my mom. My mom, if you don't know who is my mom is Honey Owl, and she has also a channel on YouTube like I do, and I've done these warm socks for her to wear this winter, and I thought I'd make a gift for her, so I knitted the socks with her size, and I hope you feel very warm in them, Mom.
Thank you very much.
Would you please try them on? Merry Christmas gift, Mama.
Thank you very much.
Put them on, please.
Oh,
Nice. Wow. Wow, and they're quite long. They'll keep you warm. Wow. Hot. Put the second one. Make a little bit of show.
of course.
Look at these. They look like wool. Woolly socks.
Yes. Thank you. I love it so much.
You're welcome, Honey Owl. Now you have a pair that you could dance on and jump around for your fans. And to keep you warm at night when you sleep. If you have cold feet, they'll keep you warm.
Yes, thank you.
So I'm glad you like them, and I like them on you as well. And do you feel like they're very warm?
Yes, of course.
They're good.
Of course.
Stunning. And easy to do. At least for me it was easy to do. To knit them. It was easy. So yeah. In one day I made them all.
Thank you very much.
I have exactly the same ones I've done for myself. I've knitted for myself, and they are obviously bigger, a bit longer, because my foot is bigger than my mom's. And so that I can wear them in the winter, all together with other moccasins that my mom Honey Owl has knitted for me, like these ones. This is a pair that Honey Owl, my mom, has knitted for me. The design of this moccasin you can find on Honey and Anna channel on YouTube. If you want to make them, it's there to teach you. So yeah, as you can see, it's like a Christmas tree here. Christmas tree. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Mom, for liking them.
Thank you very much.
Liking
You too.
your new socks that you added to your new edition. And the vanilla.